Hi guys, today I'm doing a campground review on Cherokee Landing in Saulsbury, Tennessee. Now, the first thing I would have you know about Cherokee Landing is navigation can be a nightmare if you're using a Garmin. My Garmin led me up a dirt road and then I found pavement again, but it was very bumpy, no shoulder, narrow lanes. It wasn't a fun detour. So turn off the Garmin, use Google Maps, maybe use the step-by-step in case you lose your signal, or call the campground. Most of the sites here are nice and shady and quite beautiful, but in certain sections, leveling can be an issue. In fact, if you want a campsite at Lakeside, it's actually an advantage to have a shorter camper here because these sites are almost impossible to back into for larger rigs. And I gotta say, that difficult maneuvering is all worth it when you sit down and this is your backyard view. Saulsbury, Tennessee is about an hour east of Memphis, and I can't tell you there's a whole lot to do here. Now, I was kind of busy with some repairs, but when I looked online, there's nothing for miles. There honestly isn't. So while Saulsbury, Tennessee may not be a great place to stop and do some sightseeing, Cherokee Landing is a destination campground in itself. For me, I could easily spend 2 weeks here just for some R&R. I think Cherokee Landing is a nice family campground. Of course, the playground and the swimming pool is open, and you can go fishing. And I don't know what normal activities they have because the lodge was actually closed during COVID. But this is a great spot to hang out with your family for sure. Well, it's time to give you my rating. My only regret staying here was I didn't get to stay more than 2 nights. I would definitely come back and spend a couple weeks. And you just can't beat the price here. If you're a Thousand Trails member, it's absolutely free, and they say the best things in life are free. So I'm going to go along with that. If you'd like to learn more about the Thousand Trails membership, I'd like to tell you a little bit more. Check out my description or drop me an email, and I'll tell you everything you need to know about getting started. It costs $40 a month. Also, if this review was helpful to you, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. That way you get all this great content and you help grow my channel. All right, I have nothing more to say, so happy travels and I'll see you next time.